Guys, in this video, I will show you different methods that you can use to try and fix a flagged Instagram account, which means it could have been flagged as a spam, scam, or just an flagged account, right? So what we can do is we can head over to Instagram, and what we can now do is we can go to our profile picture in the bottom right hand corner. And then from here, you want to go to the three lines in the top right hand corner. Now, if your account has been flagged, a lot of the time, what you will notice is that if you go to the account status here, everything is still green and it looks like there is actually nothing wrong with your account. But when someone tries to follow, it will then say you're a scam or a spam account. Or if you try and follow someone else, there will be problems with following people as well. And there's different things that you will have done if the Instagram account has been flagged. Now, to be able to fix this, there is a couple of things that we can try, and this is what worked for me, right? So what you can do is you can go back and you can go towards the top here, and then you simply want to go down and click on account type and tools, and you want to try and switch your account type. So you can go from a professional account, you can go back to a public account or a personal account, and you can also switch to a business account by clicking on switch account type right there. Now that's the first thing that we can try. The second thing that we can try is if we go back right here, and then essentially what you are going to do is go to account center and you want to go to Meta Verified. Now you want to go ahead and join the Meta Verified option, which will verify your account and make sure that it belongs to an actual real human being. And this will also help with your account being flagged and suspected as spam. What else we can do is we can try and delete our Instagram account. So if we go ahead and click on hold, you want to remove this, log out of your Instagram account, and you want to leave it for around 24 to 48 hours. And then you want to then re-download it all. And once you do this, what that will then do is it will essentially refresh the whole app. You will have had no activity on the app, and you'll have also had no suspicious activity going on the app as well, which will obviously refresh the overall app itself and your account. So there is three different methods that we can try, guys, and there is multiple different ones that you can do to try and get your account unflagged, because if it has been flagged, it will cause nothing but problems. If any of these options do work for you, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.